Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is the last part of Foldable 2. For this one we have a double distribution. We have our equation 3 times x plus 1 equal to 2 times x plus 11. So we're going to go ahead and do our distribution for this one. So we have our 3 times our x, which is our 3x. We have our 3 times our 1, which is plus 3. It's going to be equal to our 2 times x, which is 2x, and then our last but not least, 2 times our 11, which is plus 22. So this was once again distributed property. Distribution property. Oops, there we go, property. So I'm just going to go ahead and rearrange this not so colorful. So we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 22. So for this one, I'm going to move the 2x over to the other side. It's a kind of like an unwritten rule. You don't really have to do this, but it's usually easier when you have a number or a variable and you subtract or add the smaller variable to the other side. So the 3x is bigger than the 2x. So I'm going to move this over to the other side. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and rearrange it. So we have 3x, and then we're going to subtract our 2x, and then finish the rest of the equation. Plus 3 equals to our 2x again, minus our 2x, plus our 22. So if you notice here, we still have the same equation. We still have 3x plus 3, 3x plus 3, and 2x plus 22, and 2x plus 22. But what we did here is we subtracted to both sides using our subtraction property. Normally when we do this, we would actually have the negative 2x on the outside as well as here. But we just use the commutative property and then just switch it over. So it's okay that we do it this way. It just kind of saves you a step. Okay. All right, so go ahead and do the math there. So we have 3x minus 2x. This leaves us just x, 1x, plus 3 equal to 2x minus 2x, which once again goes to 0 because 2x minus 2x is 0. So leaves us with positive 22. And this one we're doing combining like terms. So combine like terms. Okay. So now we have x plus 3 is equal to 22. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 3 to both sides here. Ooh, I just kind of like made a boo-boo because we got to stay constant, right? So we have our x plus 3, and we're going to subtract 3 to both sides. So we'll subtract 3 there, and then we have our 22. And we're going to subtract 3 here. This is substitution property. Remember I was telling you guys that most of the time I would do this way. I would just subtract 3 here and subtract 3 here. But I found that a lot of people were getting confused because when we had things like this over here, they would do it to multiple parts. So it makes it easier to put it into the actual equation here like we did here to show that we're actually doing it to both sides and not multiple times to the same side. Okay, so we have x and then 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 goes to 0. So we have x is equal to 22 minus 3, which is 19. And this is also just combining like terms, combining the terms here. So we got, again, we have therefore. Therefore is one word, comma. The equation is sometimes true, comma, only when x is equal to 19.